All right.
Hey guys, so for this episode, it's super special to me because I have my mom here, and I'm going to be opening up a box that I actually got back in 2018 from Billetworkz. Yeah, I know. So back in 2018, Ryan and I went to Boxer Fest, and I actually won a $200 gift card from Billetworkz. But my project car that I was working on for 3 years on the channel, it went through a little bit of damage. So for that reason, I ended up getting this package with parts that are actually meant for that car, and I didn't have a car to put it on, so I just sort of didn't open the package. So today, I have a project car that it's going on, and we're gonna go ahead and open this. So okay. I'm super excited.
So do we have something sharp?
Yeah. Oh, well, I'll let you do the honors.
Trust me?
I don't know. Try not to cut yourself.
Okay, thanks. All right, I'll be very gentle.
Oh.
All right, here we go.
Yep.
We have packaging.
Woo!
Woo! Yay! We got some paper.
Yeah, right? You're doing the honors. It's cool.
Ooh, there's 2 presents.
Yeah.
One. No identifying marks. Here's another one. Okay, we do not know what this is yet.
Go ahead.
All right, is it taped again?
Well, yeah.
This is very secure.
Yeah. Oh, yeah. It's packaged really, really well, right?
Okay.
Austin knew how important it was for me to get these back in the day, so he actually shipped them to me 2-day shipping, and I felt a little bit bad not opening it.
It wasn't 2 years shipping?
Yeah, right. All right. So
all
open.
Right, so foam.
You got some foam.
Lots of foam.
Sweet. Always use.
Ooh. Jewelry.
Oh, no, that's it. We got a little bit. We got
hardware.
Yeah, hardware.
We got nuts.
My mom knows all the terms too. That's cool.
Nuts.
Nuts.
We got nuts.
All right, so I guess.
Ooh.
Yeah, right. I'll show them this one first. This one, this
You're gonna have to take it up to the camera to get.
Well, I want to see. I want you to see it
wow.
first. Right.
6 gears. Mill's Garage. It says Mill's Garage on it.
This is the Cosmic Blue.
Like Midnight Sky.
Ooh, I can't. Hold on. I'm gonna get some macros going so that you can see it a little bit better. But it's got blue, and it's made to look like a galaxy. It's called Cosmic Blue. I got Mill's Garage. Got the play button for first. And I got the rewind button for reverse. And of course, Mill's Garage. I just wanted it to look kind of like a satellite. Yeah.
That's awesome.
I think so.
All right.
And then we've got another one. Because $200 will, you know, get you a fair amount. Woo! Ah, that's awesome. Oh, I'm so happy with that.
Oh my goodness.
Yeah.
Wow, look at the painting on it. Mm-hmm. It's not painting though.
No, it's definitely paint. Anodized.
Anodized.
Yeah.
Wow.
Yup.
That's psychotic.
Psychotic.
Psychedelic.
Psychedelic. Yeah, I've got this one right here. This is a...
Japanese?
Yeah, this is a Japanese kanji that I actually have tattooed on my back. Had it done in Japan. And it means flow of life. It's nagare. And I have it done on a smoke finish with a red splash. So I just wanted it to seem like smoke and sort of, I mean.
It's art. It's art.
Yeah, it looks amazing. I'm really, really happy with this. Can't wait to see how it looks in the car. So, yeah.
I don't know how he waited so long.
He
was so excited about getting the $200, you know, the gift card and getting this, you know, and meeting the owner and the person who does all this.
Yeah, Austin's a great guy.
He was so excited about that. How could he not open these?
Well, I mean...
Patience.
It was a little frustrating. I will update you guys on what happened to my last build, and that will be coming up on the channel. We got lots more coming up on the channel, and if you made it this far, you liked the video, so make sure to smash that like button down below. Make sure to subscribe, share with all your friends. We got way more coming up. Got my mom here. And yeah, so that is today's episode, and we got lots more coming up with the cars, and we're gonna have an install video for these shift knobs on the build. Let me know down below what car you think I'm putting it on. We've got a number of them on the channel. But yep, we'll catch you guys next time. Yeah, awesome. Cool.
Thanks for watching this episode of Mills Garage. Make sure to like and comment below, share the video, and we'll see you next time.
Oh man, you need something to sit on.
Because I'm short.
Alright, ready? Go ahead and do an intro.
What? Hi, so we're here to open this lovely box.
Yeah.
All right.
Finally.
I'm sure you can get something out of it.
Yeah, no, that's perfect. That's really cool.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Never been in a video.